Hello everybody, how's it going? I know how I did braids the other day and I said that you could add hair to your braid to make it a little longer. I have my jumbo pink hair, separated it in two. We are going to put it in our braid. All you want to do is incorporate the pink into the way you already braid your hair. This hair gets nappy, so be careful. When I get to the end, I just take a little bit of pink on each little side. And I just braid my pinks down. If you got brown hair, you can use the brown hair. You got blonde hair, they got blonde. They got white, they got different colors. You do however you want to do. Blonde and white, black, regular. I could use blonde and brown. Sometimes I'll mix it up. Okay, put our ponytail in. And there I have a longer braid. Yeah. When I do Shakira's hair and she likes it really long, I'll start her braid out and then towards the middle I'll add the braided hair so that it comes out even longer. You can start hair out here, you can go down, you can add more hair here just to start giving it the length to go down. Up here, just go around the one piece. You don't have to do it as thick. But I thought doing it thick would be nice, because then you could see what the heck I'm doing. You know, I like big thick braids, so for those girls that have thin hair and they're like, I can never have really cute big puffy braids, add some hair in. Get the hair in your color. It's fun just for the day. You know how we like to keep people thinking that we're up to no good? This is how we do it. Take a little pink for both sides. Really get your Boy George effect with these. Come, chameleon. Alright, cut the ends if you want. You can leave the ends. We have pink Barbie here. Got a big fat braid. Sometimes I just put a pin in here. Maybe sometimes pull it just a little bit. And there you are, added hair into your braid. Gives you some length, long braids. And it doesn't have to be pink, it could be the same color as your hair, but if you feel like you want to have those long braids, ladies, this is it, long braids. Do it every day. Takes a little bit of time. $2 a pack for the hair, sometimes $4, depending on how long, how thick, how crazy colored. You never know how we like to do it. Thank y'all for watching. If you like this video, press the like, thumbs up, subscribe, share to your friends. Another hairstyle down. Pink hair, my pink shirt. We loving it all day, all day. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.